In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Pollo AI account. To begin, open your favorite web browser. In here, log into your Pollo AI account that you would like to delete. Now, navigate to your account settings page, look for the avatar and name section. Scroll to find the red Delete Account button. Clicking it will initiate the removal process and display a confirmation prompt indicating all your personal data, files, and AI creations will be wiped permanently. Before you proceed, make sure to back up any important creations. Pollo AI does not retain recoverable copies once deletion is confirmed. Also, cancel any active subscriptions or paid plans to prevent future billing issues. Once you confirm, Pollo AI may prompt you to enter your password or a verification code for security. Upon verification, your account deletion request will be processed. Note that depending on their internal policy, it may take some time, possibly a few business days, to complete full data removal, as you can see in here. That's it in summary. Log in, go to Settings, click Delete Account, verify, and your Pollo AI account will be closed with all associated data erased. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.